Hey everyone, this is the XPS 159530, and the company claims it will change how you work, create, and game on the go. But after spending real time with it, I found something they don't highlight in the marketing. So is it a game changer or just another premium laptop with caveats? Stick around because I'll walk you through exactly what it feels like to use this machine day to day and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Dell XPS 159530 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the XPS 159530 from Dell, released in early 2023, aimed squarely at creators, power users, and anyone who wants a 15-inch laptop that tries to balance portability and performance. Equipped with Intel's 13th Gen Raptor Lake H-Series CPUs and optional NVIDIA RTX 40 series graphics, it's pitched as a thin and light workhorse for photo and video editing, programming, multitasking, and even some gaming. Think of it as a 15-inch premium laptop with big ambitions, but it's not without trade-offs. Dell XPS 159530 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I used it for everything from heavy tabbing, 30-plus browser tabs, to rendering short video clips, to light gaming. What really stood out: the icon click speed, multitasking responsiveness, and the sense that this machine isn't holding you back. In our test, the i7-3700H plus RTX 4070 variant zipped through creative workflows easily. Even when exporting a 4K clip, it kept pace. That said, here's the catch. According to RTIs, the GPU runs at a relatively low wattage compared to many competitors. In practice, that means while you can game, this isn't built to beat full-blown gaming laptops with 100-watt-plus GPUs. If I threw something like Cyberpunk 2077 at it, it handled it decently on moderate settings, but this isn't a gaming-focused beast. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features. 3.5K OLED display, optional. The top panel option delivers gorgeous color, deep blacks, and high contrast, perfect if you edit photos or videos in the evening. Reviewers called it bright and colorful. Upgradable internals. Unlike many slim machines, the XPS 15 allows you to swap RAM and SSD. That means future-proofing matters. Premium audio and screen real estate. The quad-speaker setup delivers surprisingly good sound for a laptop. One review said bass, mids, and highs were clear across media. So you get the feel of a premium machine where the technology serves you. Editing, streaming, multitasking, not just specs on a page. Design and build. Aesthetically, Dell knocked it out of the park. It's crafted with milled aluminum for the lid and base and a carbon fiber composite palm rest that feels both light and sturdy. The finish resists fingerprints better than many glossy rivals. The screen's thin bezels give it a modern, clean look. And the hinge? Smooth, stable, one-hand lift capable. On the flip side, full-size USB-A ports are missing, and if you plug in multiple external USB-C devices, you'll likely want a hub. Also, just to note, some users reported odd fan noises when the system kicks in. Pros. Stunning OLED option plus great speakers equals fantastic media and creative experience. Strong all-around performance for everyday productivity and creative workflows. Slim, premium chassis with upgradable internals, RAM and SSD, rare in this class. Balanced portability plus power, good for creators who need mobility. Cons. The GPU is underpowered for serious gaming versus true gaming rigs because of the 40 to 50 watt limitation. 720p webcam only, disappointing for the premium price point. Port selection is modest, you'll likely need dongles or a hub. Final verdict. So who is this for, and is it worth the money? Look, if you're a creator, a multitasking professional, a student of design, or someone who wants a sleek 15-inch laptop that can handle serious workload and still travel well, the XPS 159530 hits hard. It delivers that premium feel without turning into a bulky desktop replacement. On the other hand, if you're primarily a gamer who wants maximum FPS, or you need a blazing fast GPU unconstrained by wattage, you might be better off with a more gaming-centric rig. And if you're on a tighter budget, the value curve drops off quickly at the high end of the XPS line. My takeaway? For the right user, creators, plus pro users, plus mobility seekers, it's a very strong buy. Sure, it's not perfect, but it genuinely earns the premium laptop label in my book. Final sentence: if you want power, elegance, and portability in one package, the XPS is one of the cleanest packages out there.